Hi, what's up XRP holders? So the current condition is very critical now. We predicate this coin, we do technical analysis and also share opinion. But first of all, the update is very important for all of you to what's the new and latest update of XRP. Let's see my mother kindly holder. Before I get start this video, please subscribe this channel, and yes, also press the bell icon for more this type informative videos. If you are new my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. All right, my mother. First of all, if we check out the update of XRP and the same time, so I'm so happy, I'm so excited to see this. Congratulations all holder. This time the XRP price is completely increasing from last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 7 days. That's mean to in the previous days, my friend, this coin is completely and the profit, and you can see whether the price is increasing now. 0.66 USD dollar is the latest price, and I hope the price will be increasing hour by hour, minute by minute. Now what's the price prediction, my brother? Let's see, my brother, but kindly holder, please subscribe and press bell icon. Yeah, thank you so much. This time, my brother, absolutely, if we predicate this coin, so exactly we better understand to upcoming time, there is a lot of chances they will move upward now. Yes, let's see, my brother. First of all, I will use this simple method for this, and absolutely this is very urgent predication. So my friend, I already researched personally for that, my friend, very highly. But the current condition is, you can see, my brother, the last arrow, you can see, my friend, this arrow, the last arrow is moving upward. So that's mean to upcoming time there is a lot of chances to XRP will moving upward now. So absolutely, I'm 100% sure to upcoming time they will move upward. So if you also, my friend, know to they will move upward in upcoming time, then what are you doing? Selling, holding, or buying? My personal experience, my friend, I want to share you. I just suggest you, my brothers, to please, I just advise you, this is not a financial video, I advise you, my brothers, to please hold it now, and just only for the mid of this month, for the end of this month, if you hold it. So I hope, my brother, they will give you a very huge profit. So why are you not holding? Why are you waiting? Please hold it. I hope, my brother, they will give you a good profit. See you next time, holder. Hope you understand something new in this video. My opinion also I share it to please hold it, and what's your opinion, you share it in a comment box. This will be very good from all of you now. Thanks for watching. See you next time.